today we will try halo halo in different store, so the taste should be different.
Should be different.
Yes. The price may be the same, but taste different.
Gandang araw! So today nga ay magta-try ulit kami ng halo-halo pero sa ibang store naman. The same place pero iba yung store. Kung taga Aroroy ka, alam mo kung saan to. Dito lamang yan sa Marilyn's Place sa Aroroy. And dito nga kami kay ate nag-order ng halo-halo.
Halo halo was yummy, so we'll try today if it's yummy again.
It is. It should be. It should be. While waiting, ako naman naggaganda-gandahan sa harap ng asawa ko. Kunwari, mahinhin siya. May papalo-palo pa nga yan. Pero in real life, medyo may pagka-dragon yung ugali niya. Ito na nga yung order naming halo-halo. Yung previous na halo-halo is medyo hindi siya maraming ice. Ito naman is overloaded. And medyo nahihirapan nga akong mag-mix-mix nito kasi pag ganyan, diba? Sobra-sobra yung mga yellow. Tapos yung iba toppings nalalaglag. Kaya yung ending, kakainin mo muna yung toppings. Pero this time, pinilit ko talaga halo yung toppings and yung iba pang laman. Kasi ano pa tinawag tong halo-halo kung hindi mo hahaluin, be? Nabot nga ako ng 1 oras kakahalo. Hindi, joke lang. Nagpa-video pa talaga ako sa asawa ko. Yung tingnan mo yung sa kanya, hindi pa niya nahahalo. Ganito pala pag vlogger ka, no? Kahit gustong-gusto mo nang kumain, hindi mo pa makakain kasi kailangan mo pang videohan yung kasama mo. So, pinatikman ko na nga sa kanya. Siya pa yung unang tumikim kaysa sa akin, be. And then, of course, kailangan ko na ding tikman kasi baka mahuli, char. And kitang-kita naman sa mukha ng asawa ko na sarap talaga siya sa halo-halo. Nagseselos na nga ako eh. Parang gusto ko nang papiliin. Halo-halo o ako? Hindi, char lang. Anyway, dito pala kami mag-order sa store na to. Ito yung pinakaunang store sa Marilyn's Place. Ay, hindi pala siya una kasi meron pang nauna sa kanya. Yung Don Macchiato ata yun.
This is how it looks. Mixed, very good. And happy face. And my face is happy. Oh, yummy. Is it yummy, love? Not so much left, but very yummy. No more ice.
Take this OBO. What is it? Can I taste yours?
Yes, you can taste mine. Mine is better. Can I taste yours? I want to taste yours. Maybe yours is better.
It's a bow.
It's only soup. Nothing inside.
At dahil sobrang takaw naman talaga ng babaeng ito, kaya yung asawa ko, shinare niya na yung laman nung sa kanya. Kasi yung natira sa akin ay parang puro gatas na lang ata yun. Pag nakain kasi ako ng halo-halo, be, inuuna ko yung laman.
Finished. No more.
New hired staff here.
Work now. Clean after eating. Good, done. Clean.
Newly hired.
Yes, newly hired. We're hired, yes. Yes, we're hired now.
Maybe you can apply here.
Yes, I will apply later. When I change my tourist visa,
Into permanent.
yes, I will be able to work, but now I am tourist. I just can spend.
Thank you, sir.
In trash.
And trash. And tapos na kaming kumain.
Which is better, halo halo?
Yesterday's halo-halo or today's halo-halo?
Yesterday halo halo is better because it has corn, it has manga, it has kamote.
It is more special.
It's more special. It has more something
It's with
inside.
manga.
Yes, it's better.
Yes.
And tomorrow we'll try one more halo halo, and we will know which one is the best. Yes.